All right, we're making
4
Bisquick.
cups of this, and 2/3 and 2/3 is how much?
2/3 and 2/3 is 4/3, or 1 1/3. How'd you like that rapid fire calculation?
I don't know. What you said.
All right. All right, here we go. We're in a rush to make bread because our rye bread we're not quite sure of. So here we go. We're just going to dump it in.
1, 2, I'll do half. Do half. 3.
Bam, done. Okay, what's next?
Oh, coming out of there.
Put her back in the bag.
Then I need 2/3, 2/3, and 1/3 of milk.
Milk! Well, we don't really use milk. What we use is almond milk. Oh, yeah, that's good.
1, 2, 3,
Okay.
and then 1.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
Okay, that's not that much. It's not that much. If you guys want, this is it right here. Take a screenshot. Oh, we're going to use that instead?
No, I'm going to use a little bit of both.
Okay. So now we got to do this. Now, how are we going to mix it together? Are we going to use the machine?
No.
Okay. I'm going to grab a mixer. Okay, the butter's ready. Grabbing the butter. Bam. Going to pour it in there. Here it comes. Oh yeah, very buttery. It's going to be delicious.
Would you grab me the cooking spray down below?
The avocado?
Yeah.
Avocado, where's it at? Oh, there it is.
Down the right.
Hiding way back there. Okay, spray her up. We're going to use this pan. All right, here we go. This is like last minute, coming out of the gate. Do you want the whisk?
Huh?
You want the whisk? Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, that mixed up good, huh?
I actually think I'll do another
Batch?
cup.
Because this only takes a couple minutes to cook, right?
Yeah, well, it's 15.
15 minutes, yeah, that's
I'm
pretty
going to do
good.
one more batch.
All right, so we're just going to splunch that onto here. Is that what we're going to do? Or you're going to mix it all
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah. I'm going to make one
All
more.
as one giant thing?
Yeah.
All right, so this is like, we're just going ad hoc on this. Because, rye is not ryeing. That's it? Okay. Where's our thing at?
Where's the 2/3?
There, yeah.
Where's the 2/3?
Would that be it?
Where was that?
That was sitting right there. All right, 2/3. Let's go. Milk. Milk me up. All right, here we go. On. This is how you make Bisquick. On the fly. We've got 1 hour before the hordes of humanity show up to consume mass amounts of food, and we got to get it made.
That, why did that?
Is that it?
That's a little bit.
Do we need more powder in there?
Yeah, that's weird.
Well, you can put a little powder in
I
there,
don't know
babe.
what I did wrong. But
Forgot to put the other, you only put one.
I only put 1 cup?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you put 1 cup in.
Oh.
I was like, oh, okay.
Oh, I was going to
I
make...
thought you were going to go half.
I was, and I forgot.
Okay.
So I wasn't going to make a whole thing. I was going to make half
Well, it looks like we're making a whole one.
Okay.
All right, mix her up. Now, I don't know if you need more milky milk or
No,
not.
I shouldn't, because it's just that's what it is.
Oh, yeah, because now it's getting nice and thick
Yeah.
and yummy looking.
Why did the buzzer didn't go off for that bread, did it?
Not yet.
What just went off? Something went off.
I don't know.
Go look. The bread, is it off?
No, it's got 37 seconds left.
Oh, weird.
Which is perfect because we'll be pulling that bread out when we put this in. You follow me?
Yeah.
Kimosabi. All right, here we go. We're putting it on. This is how we do it.
What is this too?
I don't know. Just put it. That was that's for that.
Oil.
The milk.
No.
All right, here we go. So we're just gonna goop it on. Here goes the first goop. See how you do that? You just use the index finger. All right. Oh, sounds like our other bread is ready. We'll get it in a second. But first we got to do this. Because when we go open that thing up, we're gonna put this in, and then these will bake up and we'll have biscuits. Bisquick. Super quick Bisquick. That's why they call it Bisquick, because it's quick and it's biscuits. You follows me? Looking good. I think that I want to make a video of the mushroom soup next time, because the carrot soup really does well.
Huh.
People really like that one. And they all want to know how to do
We
it.
need to get that out of the oven if that's I need to go look to see. Because that's 30 minutes or 35?
35.
You set it for 35?
Yeah. Well, we're almost ready to put this in, so I don't think it's gonna. Okay, she's gonna finish this. I'm gonna go check this out. Maybe I'll pull it out and see if it's
Pull that
ready.
bread out at least.
Open her up. Oof, hot. It's very hot. I guess it looks okay. I don't know. It looks kind of baked. We may have to cut it to see if it's good. All right, here we go.
The brown? Yeah.
Are we ready to put this
Smells
in?
good. No, not yet.
Okay, what? How come? Oh, we got more?
Oh, maybe spray one.
Spray it up.
I just need a couple on here.
You sure you can't just get them on that one?
Well, I could, but
All right, whatever.
because they'll go in, and then they'll sit.
All right, let's go look at. All right, so here it is, and it looks good. I mean, you know, I don't think we made a big enough thing, but we're gonna try it, see if we like it. Rye bread, yummy, yummy. But on the fly, look at how this is amazing. We don't have bread, so she makes the biscuits, and she makes them so fast. Look at that. All right, so now we just shove these in there?
No, not until 6:30.
6:30. Okay, we'll put them at 6:30. Better let you do it because I don't know what I'm doing.
Put them in the middle.
All right. We're going to put them in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see if
That one.
see if
Does it fit? Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, we got to set it, what, how many minutes?
No, I just look. I mean, I'll know.
Oh, okay. All
I'll
right.
know because it's already 25 up.
All right, so, okay, in about 15 minutes, we're going to check on them, see how they're doing.
And
Ooh, they're getting there.
vegan parm and cheese in there.
Oh, yeah. Looks
And
good.
then the cream, but all vegan.
Look at it. Look at it. It's boiling.
Yes, and these are going to turn, and I'm going to turn them over.
You have to turn them over?
The stupid pans, it just depends on the pans. I see
What
it
do you have to
getting,
do?
I see it getting brown on the
Yeah, I
bottom.
see it. It's too, it's
They're a
still
pain in
too.
the ass.
We got to, what do we got to do?
So are these biscuits?
These are biscuits.
Maybe you
okay.
should use the steel
These are
one.
just a, yeah,
Yeah,
this,
see, they're
this
getting
happens.
brown on the bottom.
So I just take them out and turn them. So I just made these real quick with the biscuit mix, but I use vegan,
Oh,
you know.
I thought you took them out of a package.
No, we
No,
made
no,
these
I
from
made 'em.
scratch.
Oh my God, look at them all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They'll eat
Just
all
in
of
case,
these?
yes, because Tommy eats a lot.
Oh, right.
Well, yeah, and we'll have some for the next
I
day.
sprayed them. Why are they sticking?
That's one's not.
Bitch. They
happened.
shouldn't be.
Uh-oh, sticky one.
Did
I
we
need
forget
my
to
other
spray
one.
that one?
Didn't I? Yeah, I did. You can see it.
Oh, you know why? Because it's ridges.
No.
Ruffles has ridges.
No,
Oh, there we
they're-
go.
they're no big
We were
deal.
using the wrong equipment.
So I
That
made
one's
these not
plastic.
knowing if the bread was going to work, just
Oh.
like 10 minutes ago.
Should we turn them over?
Yeah. They'll be fine.
They're kind of hot.
They are hot.
Yeah.
You
Wow.
gonna make
Ow.
it?
I don't want to burn myself.
There.
I'm almost there.
And
Oh, that
actually
one fell
put-
off.
Huh?
That one fell apart.
The bottom fell
I
off.
can actually put all these on here. now.
Ouchie douchie.
Oh, the other ones could go on there.
Yeah.
That does not. Those look better.
These came right off.
Yeah.
These pans are the same, but I've used this more and look at the coloring. So that's what
Yeah.
happens, you know?
Wow. All right. Now we got to stick that back in, right?
No,
Yeah.
touch it.
I was just gonna grab it with my hand. That would have been a big mistake.
So
Right.
what's in the thing with the tin
That
foil?
is salmon.
Oh, okay.
It's,
That's Norwegian salmon that everyone
it's
likes.
Norwegian.
So we'll see how this
Farm.
does. I mean,
Is that the
Richard
first
will
time
eat
you've
this
made
and
that?
Madison, my dad won't, and Quinn won't.
I will eat the hell out of that.
So it's cheese with milk.
It's
Now
it's
vegan.
cut zucchini that I tossed with olive oil, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, and then I layered it, and then I put mozzarella
Mozzarella.
and panko, and then kept layering like 3 layers, and then that was
Wow.
it.
Right, so this is the biscuits right here. Look at them. Look delicious.